guys, so today we are going to make mango ice cream with this mithai made. So let's have a quick glance of the pack. This is a 200 gram pack, MRP 64 rupees and you get 1 year shelf life. For opening the pack, you get to place your thumb here and pull up the lid. For making mango ice cream, we need mangoes, cream which I have got from the milk at home, and we make whipped cream out of it. I have whipped cream mode in my mixer, so I'm gonna do that. You can do it with the hand blender also. Whenever you whip the cream, the jar and the cream both should be chilled. Now whip it till it turns into thick creamy texture with soft peaks. If you are using the hand blender, it may take about 10 minutes. So this is how the texture of the whipped cream should be. Now take a mixer blender jar, a big mango slices, mithai made and whipped cream. Whisk until the mixture turns thick. We are not going to add any sugar in this. Condensed milk got the perfect sweetness. Now transfer it into the ice cream mold, which should be airtight, and cover it, seal it properly with the cling sheet. This will ensure no ice crust is formed on top. Freeze your ice cream for at least 4 hours. If you want a perfect creamy texture, freeze it overnight. Look at this, so creamy and rich. You can enjoy delish mango ice cream with no preservative, and subscribe for more such videos.